Hello guys.
I'm joining the game, okay?
Hey guys. Today we're playing Game Developer Simulator. In this game, you work and you gain stuffs. Yeah, I think that's how you play. Okay, I'm just gonna ask this guy because there is no go outside if it's wish, but it's coming out of your paycheck. What do you mean? What do you mean? Also, my friend PolePlays23 is gonna join my game, but I don't know because I think the game will be full. So, okay. What do we play here? Oh, you can buy like a Samsung and Asus, a Dell, or Alien. What is it? Acer, Toshiba, Hip, and Handscreen. Okay. Okay, what is this place? Ooh, the machines HP. Okay. Let's ask this guy. Hey! Upgrading your PC will allow you to write more lines of code in a shorter amount of time. Oh, okay. What is this? Cash. Oh. Oh, what is chairs? Coffee. Where's mine? Okay. 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 Quickly. Oh yeah. Publish. Quickly. Publish game. Okay, quickly. Come on, publish. Okay. What? Okay, we're gonna publish. Okay, we're gonna publish. Come on. Yes. Okay. Done. Let's get out of the laptop. This is our. What is this? Okay, so you can go on any that says okay. Let's go paycheck. That's only a bit. What's up here? Ooh, what is this server? What is this? Is this a game? What? What? What the? What?
Yeah. Cái này rất là hot rồi Mỹ này. Cái này nóng lắm nhé. Cái này bỏng là vừa bị chạm nên để cho nguội nó ăn nhé.
Good. Rất là good. Rồi. Hello guys. Today we're playing Game Developer Simulator. I don't know. I think it's a new game. I don't know. I'm just gonna play it for now to show you guys. I know how to play. I've started the game a bit and look who joined. My friend PolePlays. Shout out to Pool. Okay guys. Say hi, Whitey. Let's get going. This is my ID. What is even ID? Okay, let's. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Okay. This is. Oh yes, it's okay if you're late. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, this is taking a long time to publish. Okay. Come on. Okay. What the? Come in. Okay. This is taking a long time quickly on this Roblox Studio Coding Center. Published game. Oh, I'm tired. I need some coffee. Coffee. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's better. This is a chair. Oh, yeah, these are the chairs. Okay. Let's see, where are you, Pooh? Let's see, okay. Wait, where's Pooh Place? 23, there's Pooh Place. Okay, what's this? You can't even buy anything? What? I wanna buy that. Yeah, bought it. Okay. Okay. Paycheck. Yeah. No. Do pay check. This is taking a long time. Some people get. Okay, quickly. Okay, just follow me. Follow me. Come with me. Come on. Oh, I'll show you. I'll show you. Oh. Come, let's go. Here we are. You can get your money there. There you got money. Okay, this is my brother. He's in another room. Okay, guys, what does the ID even do? What is the... Okay, quick. We've published 12 games. That's good. We could... Oh, yes. Yes. We're just gonna make a bit more of games and we're okay. What is one Buckaboo's games? Okay. Ooh, shop. Okay. Quickly. Okay. Go on. Ooh. Okay, let's just see what's this. Get 150 code. Oh, it's the... Oh. Yeah, okay. Okay, we're just gonna continue our work. Okay. 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 No, let me back in. Make the game. Yeah. Okay, we'll make this last game. Come on, quickly. Let's check how much money we get. 9,000. Oh, what is corp? I don't even know what's corp. But let me read this. Now you have your wrench. Let's get to work on fixing those servers. Oh. Okay. Okay. Quickly fix this server. Fix this server. Yes. Yes. Let's see what this does. This is 100,000. Oh, okay. Let's go down first. Okay. Do you get money from it? Of course not. Okay. Let's go to monitors. Okay. Talk. Upgrading your monitor increase your cash multiplier. Unemployment allowing you to get more cash from publishing games. Okay. What is this? Aces. We don't even have enough money for one Aces. Are you serious? 10 lines of codes. Ooh. Okay, I'm just gonna show you guys a bit more of this game, and then I'll finish this video. Hope you enjoyed. So, come on. Okay, quickly, come on. I need to publish. Okay, come on. Oh, I'm just gonna turn this music a bit better because I'm liking this music. Quickly, come on, do it. Okay. Done quickly. Let's get more. Okay, come on. Okay. We need to take a break. I'm getting a sip of coffee. Yeah. Okay, guys. I think that's enough of this game. Next week I'll make another video, or maybe tomorrow I'll make another video on this exact game. If you enjoy it, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Bye!